Have you ever purchased a wig that was too small and tight for your head? Most conventional wigs are mass-produced as one size fits all. Unfortunately, one size doesn't accommodate individuals who require a bigger cap size due to bulky hair or wearing braids underneath. It is good to know how to adjust the wig circumference so that the wig will fit comfortably. Our video will demonstrate how to reduce and adjust the circumference of your wig. Supplies needed: a styrofoam wig head or a canvas block, a comb, a pair of scissors, hair clips, ball pins, a precision curved needle, nylon thread, and a soft elastic wig band. Let's begin. This demonstration will show you how to make the circumference of the head even bigger. Remove the wig, flip it inside out, and as you can see, you have a thicker base at the top, followed by wefts right in the crown area and the back area, and the bottom is elastic band with a comb. Place the wig on top of the wig head. Make sure that it's even. Also make sure that the hair is not bunched up under the cap. Now we're going to secure the cap. Get one of your T-pins or ball pins and place it in the center. Also place a T-pin on each side of the temple areas. For this part of the demonstration, we're going to open this side up and make it wider. I normally remove the adjustable wig straps here because they end up getting in the way, but if you use them, you can just unhook the wig strap and move it over to the side. So what I plan to do is make an incision here and open up the wig cap and expand it further back around to that area. I will then add an elastic band. This will provide your wig additional flexibility when you're expanding the circumference. Carefully snip the elastic band and be sure not to cut any of the hair underneath. I will also snip a little bit higher into the lace to expand the wig cap a bit more. So I'm going to attach one side to the other and also fill in the middle area. And that's going to provide the flexibility that we're going to need to expand the wig cap. Using the precision curved needle and the nylon thread, attach the elastic to the wig cap. Now that one side of the elastic has been attached, proceed to attaching the other side. Use the ball pin to hold the elastic in place while stitching. Remove the pin. Give it a slight tug to make sure that the section is secure, and then snip the elastic. Now cut another piece of elastic to fill in the open area. I will stitch the elastic to all sides of the base. Remove the excess wig elastic. As you can see, we filled in this area and we have quite a bit of stretch. If the cap still doesn't feel big enough, you can apply the same steps to this side of the wig cap, using the same steps that we followed to apply the elastic to this side. And this is how to expand the circumference of your wig cap.